Let's review the Hibbent Rainfall Handheld Showerhead combo. It's made up of two parts. You can see the Rainfall and the handheld piece. A couple of nice things about this one is the bent S-shaped arm. It articulates in two places. Here you can unscrew this, move it back and forwards, and you can do the same here. Makes it work exceptionally well if you want it to go over your head, which in this case it did. On the right hand side here, you can see there is an adjustment that allows you to move between the handheld and the overhead. Let me show you what it looks like. I'm going to turn it on here. You can see nice rainfall. It's very soft, feels like rain. It's really an interesting effect. This is with the 2.5 gallon per minute adapter, and we've tried it with both. I think we like it better without. And we take this, is actually just held on with adhesive. It seems very strong. And you just flip this switch, and it comes out with the wand, and you have various settings. It's depending on what you like. This, of course, adjusts left and right, up and down as well. Overall, I like it. Recommended.
So I received this from Amazon today. It looks like a great shower head, but it has water spots on it. I received it. It said, "Thanks to you, this product has new life." And I am not opposed to returns, but I am opposed to damaged returns. This gasket was just floating around inside the bag. This adhesive, I can't even use that. That's not usable. That's not renewed. There's damage all over this piece. Damage all over this piece. There we go. The gasket, again, was floating around in this bag. This thing has something inside of it that's shaking around. This was my box of parts. I don't even think I have all the parts. There's one thing of Teflon tape. I'm not sure what that goes to. And I have no instructions. No instructions. I mean, I could probably figure it out, but I mean, this thing has damage all over it and water spots, and there's a dent. And I don't know. That was just floating around. It wasn't even in the packaging, so that's just not what I was expecting for what I paid, especially. That's a terrible product.
So I struggle with this, obviously. When it comes to this type of stuff, I'm not very good at it, but I put the thing too high. Like, God, I'm trying to give God a bath. Like, this thing's so high. But moment of truth, y'all. Let's see what it's giving. It works, though. It is wetting up this, which I don't really like, but well, that's for that. How do I switch it? Oh, there it is. And let's see, did I put this tight enough? It ain't leaking nowhere. I guess I did something right. There it is.